into myself and feel it all. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got, they used to call the blues. Nothing's really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Hanging around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Oh, yeah. Funny, but it seems I always wind up